Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at 6-figure profit license. This is a done-for-you system, guys, that you can use to generate hundreds of dollars per day if done correctly on autopilot. Alright, now this is not a brand new method. This method works over and over again, guys, and this is the exact method in my day-to-day affiliate marketing business. And with this method, guys, I'm able to make money from ClickBank. I'm able to make money from Warrior Plus, and this is really powerful, guys, right? This works by giving away free products or free stuff, right, in exchange for a lead. You're not just making commissions, you're also building a list of subscribers that you can monetize, guys, and make a passive income in the internet, which is really powerful, right? Now before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how you can set up your system inside of 6-figure profit license, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out surefire your success with a 6-figure profit license. When you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it's gonna bring you guys to my bonus page right here. And when you scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you're gonna get access, guys, to all of my bonuses right here. Now you need to pick this up, guys, before the countdown timer hit 0. Alright, so let me explain to you guys each of my bonuses right here. Bonus number 1, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a really cool hack, a really cool strategy, guys, to use Facebook to drive free traffic from Facebook into your 6-figure profit license. Right, this is really cool and really powerful, guys. This is the exact method that I use, and this method as well used by big affiliates out there. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this strategy to drive free traffic into your 6-figure profit license system. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to drive free traffic from YouTube with my YouTube optimization method. Now this is the exact method that I use to get eyeballs into my videos, into my content, clicks, and most especially, guys, sales. I'm gonna reveal to you guys my exact YouTube optimization method that you can also implement into your affiliate marketing business to generate eyeballs and leads, and most especially, guys, sales. Alright, so that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3, guys, I'm gonna give you access to my KLT free traffic method to make commissions on autopilot. I actually have a training, right? I'm actually in the process of creating this training. Let me show you the sneak peek of that. Alright, so this is the course that I'm currently creating right now, and I am in the part 1, which is the sales process, and I have this KLT free traffic method. Now this method, guys, is hidden in plain sight, and gurus don't want you to know this, right? I'm gonna reveal to you guys, and this is part of my bonus, which is my bonus number 3. I'm gonna reveal to you guys inside of this training program on how you can use this KLT free traffic ecosystem that you can use, guys, to generate commissions on autopilot. This is really powerful, guys. This will open your eyes, and this will help you guys understand the whole principle of affiliate marketing. Alright, so that is my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to a bot. This is a software that you can install and use this software to generate free traffic from Twitter. This is super helpful, guys, right? This can help you build your following on Twitter. Alright, so that's my bonus number 4. And then my bonus number 5, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 300 plus done for you high quality products and courses that you can give away, guys, to build your email list fast. Inside of 6-figure Influx, Glenn is gonna show you how to use the system to make commissions on autopilot by just giving away free courses or free products, right? So I'm just gonna give you guys an additional high quality, this is a database of products, guys, that you can use, guys, and you can give away these products to build your list fast and to make commissions. Alright, so that is my bonus number 5. And I actually talked to Glenn, guys, and he allowed me to give away his 2 live case studies on how he's able to generate thousands of dollars, guys. He's gonna reveal to you live in front of your eyes. One of that is an interview, and the second one is a over the shoulder, like live case studies that you can implement into your affiliate marketing business. Right, so those are all of my bonuses, guys, and of course all vendor bonuses, you can get access to that as well. All right, so yeah, let me take you inside of 6-figure profit license. And by the way, guys, when you click any of this button right here, this will take you guys to the sales page. So this is the sales page preview of 6-figure profit license. The headline says, done for you system, turn 0 into $500 over and over again. Now, just like I said, guys, this is not a brand new method. This is a proven method that works over and over again, and you can make hundreds of dollars if done correctly. All right, so alright, guys, so once you log into your 6-figure profit license, this is the first thing that you will going to see. But the first thing that you need to do, guys, is watch this fast start video series right here. This is where Glenn is gonna explain to you guys how to use this method and how to use the system to not just make commissions but also build an email list, right? And this is where you access your license. This is where you create your campaign. You can create a campaign by creating a brand new campaign, or you can use this done for you campaigns right here. And by the way, you can edit this done for you campaign right here. You can edit this image, this logo right here, and this your affiliate link right here, this call to action, right? So the step 1, you can actually monetize this, guys, with 3 different offer. You can monetize this one with step number 1, you can put your affiliate link right here. Step number 2, this one right here, you can monetize this, guys, with high ticket offers as well. And then step number 3 right here. Now there is a done for you offer that you can use inside of 6-figure profit license, so you don't need to worry about that. You can just plug in your affiliate link right into the system. That way you can make money with this, right? And in this section right here, this is where you get access into your free autoresponder that you can use. Basically, connecting this autoresponder into your 6-figure profit license to send out an email on complete autopilot. All right, and they have this step-by-step training on how to do that, on how to do these integrations right here. And in this section right here, this is where you access into your done for you email swipes, so you don't need to worrying about writing an email, because this is a done for you email swipes that you can plug in into your system. All right, and they have this recommended traffic that you can use, so you don't need to worry about where in the world you are gonna get traffic, right? So they have this recommended traffic right here, and they also have this free traffic system that you can use as well to send to drive traffic into your system. And then they have this quick start guide, checklist, a case studies, some resources, community group, and extra free traffic as well, dictionary, certificate, and bonuses. And they have some upgrades right here if you guys wanted to consider upgrading your account. By the way, you can learn this upgrade in my bonus page right here. So upgrade number 1 is unlimited version. Upgrade number 2 is 100% done for you. Upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic. Upsell number 4 is automation. Upsell number 5 is ATM. Now I'm not really sure what this is all about. Upsell number 6 is ultimate. Upsell number 7 is license, right? Alright, so those are all of the upsells, guys. And yeah, so that's pretty much my review, guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And by the way, guys, these bonuses, guys, is waiting for you inside of your Wario Plus account, and you can get instant access to all of these bonuses completely free of charge. And for some reason you can access these bonuses, all you have to do is send me out an email. I have an email below this video, so I can send you these bonuses personally. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.